Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the video speed in VideoLeap. Changing speed is a common editing technique used to create slow motion, fast forward or the dramatic effects. Slowing down a clip can highlight emotional or important moments, while speeding it up can make the content more dynamic and engaging. VideoLeap provides an easy way to adjust the video speed with precise control. First, what you can do is open to a VideoLeap app on a device and launch the app, and you can either create a new project or you can also go to the project and select to one of the drafts here and import the video you want to edit here. And on the timeline we can find to this all the access of the editing options. Here on the bottom, what you can do is select to the video clip that you want to speed up here, and on the bottom you can find to the speed option, and over here you can adjust to the speed. Move the slider to the right to increase the speed and move the slider to the left to decrease the speed for the slow motion. And you can preview the clip and how the speed adjustment looks fine-tuned if necessary. Once satisfied, changing video speed in VideoLeap is a simple yet powerful way to enhance the storytelling and visual impact. By adjusting the speed setting carefully, you can create professional looking slow motion or fast motion effect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.